Hello everyone, welcome to Injamam Study Hub. Today I am going to start the spoken English course, and this is the first class of my English series, and I will start the class from the basics and will gradually advance. Today the class is for those people who do not even make or speak a single sentence in English, and it's a guarantee class. After that they will be able to make and speak many sentences in English. So let's start the class. I start the class with a picture, and if I ask the English words of different things mentioned in the picture, and almost 90% of the people know all the English words present in the picture like sun, river, village, etc. And knowing all the English words in the picture, if I ask to explain the picture in English, then also 90% of the people in context of non-urban area will not be able to speak or will not be able to explain the picture in English. So what is the reason behind it? The reason behind speaking is the beginning. Therefore, the beginning is a trick. So you can explain everything in the picture just by beginning with there. So in this context, the there is a trick, and the sentence will be started by there is or there are. If you are speaking about one thing, then start with there is, and if more than one, then there are. The proper structure is there is or there are plus what you talking about, persons, things, then in the last the place where it is. So let's go to the picture, and talking about a sun. To explain the sun in the picture, start the sentence just with there. Talking about sun, one sun, so start with there is a sun. And talking about trees, suppose I am talking about two trees in the picture, so start with there are, because here is more than one, so then there are what talking about trees, how many? Two trees, there are two trees. And next sentence, that suppose two trees are there in the forest, so what will be the sentence? There are two trees in the forest. So talking about a river, there is a river. So talking about a river in the village, so there is a river, then where it is? In the village. There is a river in the village. So in this way explain the remaining picture. There is a boat, there is a boat on the river, there are three men, where it is? In the village. There are three men in the village. Suppose talking about birds in the sky, so there are birds, there are many birds. And talking about many birds in the sky, so there are many birds where it is? In the sky. As you have observed that I have explained all the things in the picture just by starting there. So in this way you can explain a substantial amount of things in regards to your life relating to the world. Suppose talking about Taj Mahal in India, how many? One. Start with there is a Taj Mahal. Where it is? In India. There is a Taj Mahal in India. Talking about the wonders of the world, there are how many? Seven. Starts with there are seven wonders. Where it is? In the world. There is a Taj Mahal in India. There are seven wonders in the world. Even you can explain all the things that exist in your room. Suppose there is a computer in my room, there are many books in my room. So whatever we have discussed, the uses of there is and there are based on the present situation, and on the next topic we will discuss the past and future form of there is and there are. And I hope that you have enjoyed the class, and so catch you in the next class, and I expect that you will be doing great.